Thinking of starting ACCA but confused about subjects and total cost? Some says ACCA costs 2 lakh, others says 6 lakh plus. So what's the truth? Let me break it down step by step. ACCA is divided into 3 levels with a total of 13 exams, and each level builds your knowledge step by step from basic to advanced professional skills. Let's start with the first level, applied knowledge. This is your foundation. It includes subjects like business and technology, management accounting, financial accounting. These subjects build your core concept. Now let's talk about the exam format. Each subject is around 2 hours long. It is 100% objective, in which you have MCQs and multitask questions. You don't write long answers here. And the best part, these exams are on demand. Means you can take them anytime at authorized center. Next comes to applied skill level, where things get more practical. It includes subjects like corporate and business law, performance management, taxation, financial reporting, audit and insurance, financial management. These subjects develop real world finance skills used in companies. Now the format changes. Listen carefully. You get 2 hours total duration. The paper is divided into sections. Section A is of objective questions. Section B and C is constructed response question. You have to type answers. So now it's not just selecting answers. You need typing skills plus spreadsheet calculations. And these exams are session-based exams held in March, June, September, and December. Finally, the strategic professional level, the stage where you don't just study accounting, you become industry ready. At this level, the focus shifts from learning concepts to applying them in real world scenarios. At this, ACCA has a total of 4 exams. Out of these, 2 are compulsory and 2 are optional, which you can choose based on your career interest. First, let's talk about the compulsory exams. The first one is Strategic Business Leader, also known as SBL. The second compulsory paper is Strategic Business Reporting, or SBR. Now let's move to the optional exams. Here you have 4 options and you need to choose any one. If you are interested in finance and investment, you can go for Advanced Financial Management, AFM. This paper focuses on topics like investment decisions, risk management, and business valuation. If you're analyzing business performance and strategy, then Advanced Performance Management is a good choice. It deals with performance evaluation, strategic planning, and improving business efficiency. If taxation interests you, then you can choose Advanced Taxation. This paper focuses on tax planning, compliance, and real-life tax scenarios. And if you want to build a career in auditing, then Advanced Audit and Assurance is the right option. It covers audit processes, risk assessment, and professional ethics in auditing. Overall, this level is all about leadership, strategy, and decision making. It prepares you to think like a professional, not just a student. Now, the exam format here is different. You get 3 hours, 15 minutes for most papers, but for SBL, you get around 4 hours. These are fully case study based questions. You need strong analysis, writing, and practical thinking skills. And just like skill level, these are also session based exams in March, June, September, and December. Now listen carefully, this is very important. From 2027 September, ACCA is introducing changes. A new subject called Data Science Professional will be added at professional level. Business and technology will be removed from knowledge level, and law will shift to knowledge level. So the structure will slightly change in the future. Stay updated with us. Now comes the part nobody explains properly, the cost. And in India, ACCA can cost around 2 lakh to 4 lakh depending on exemptions and coaching. It is important to understand that all ACCA fees are in GBP. So if the pound rate increases, your cost in India will also increase. And if the GBP rate decreases, your overall ACCA cost will come down. Now let's understand the official ACCA fee structure, because cost is not just one payment. It has multiple parts like registration fees, annual subscription fees, exam fees, exemption fees, right? So when you register for ACCA for the first time, it's a one-time initial registration fees that is £30, which is around 3,843 in INR. And if you re-register later, then it becomes £89, around 11,400 in INR. After that, there is annual subscription fees. This is something many students ignores. You have to pay this every year to stay active on the ACCA portal. It is £140 per year, which is around 17,934. Now comes the main cost, that is exam fees. For knowledge level, it is 8,000 to 12,000 per paper. For skill level, it is 18,000 to 20,000 per paper. Then after for professional level, it is 25,000 to 35,000 per paper. So overall, if you're doing self-study, your total ACCA cost comes around 2.5 lakh to 5 lakh. But wait, this is not the full cost. You also need to consider coaching, study materials, travel to exam center, reattempts if you fail. And this is where most student underestimates their budget. Now, something very important which most people don't tell you, exemption fees. If you have a relevant degree, you can skip some exams, but you still have to pay exemption fees. For knowledge level, you have to pay £84 per paper, which is around 10,761. But for applied skill exam, you have to pay £111 per paper, which is around 14,200 something. And remember, exemptions depend on your college, degree, and subjects. So, yes, exemptions can save you time, but not always your money. So, your ACC cost is not fixed, it is flexible. ACC is not cheap, but it's also not as expensive as people make it sound. It is an investment only if you stay consistent. Follow ACC Insider Hub because I'm on the same journey as you and I will share everything I learned. No filters, just real guidance. Thank you.